name is Hira Hosèn, and I'm here on this planet to help birth a new earth. The new earth is you. The new earth is me. The new earth is the earth. Basically, the new earth is a place in time and space that we are creating in every moment. So in every moment, again and again, we are creating this new earth. So it's not like some elite members are deciding on what this new earth looks like. It's us all together that are deciding all together what it looks and feels like. So anything you're thinking, visualizing, seeing, hearing, sensing, doing, in that sense is creating that new earth. So not only are you creating a new earth, it's possible that you are also creating the old earth. It depends on your vibration. So if you are in a very high vibration, then obviously if you are in your own frequency, like very high vibration source energy, high vibrational light energy, you're happy, you're doing things you love, you're passionate, you're full joyful, then you are creating the new earth at that moment. So whatever you are doing, feeling, seeing, sensing, projecting outwards is the reality you're creating. If you are coming from your pain identity, like let's say you're going through a rough moment, you're going into the drama of life, or whatever it is that you're going through, then you are creating the world of duality, the world we are stepping out of, where a lot of us on this planet are still part of, because we, in the vibration that we are in, sometimes we are there because we have old habits, right? Our old habits are like recreating that 3D constantly, or we might have vibrations inside that are saying like, but if I go into the new earth, then it will be boring, for example, because there's no more duality, so I can't live out, or I can't play with the duality, the light-dark paradigm. But in a way, if you really sit with that, is that really true? Is it boring to be constantly in light if it's really your own vibration, right? So those are questions that we have to go through to understand if we are ready to live the new earth. And so constantly we are breathing the new earth, and also the earth itself. I mean, when you tap into, let's walk a little bit to nature here. So if you're tapping into the earth as she is, as her vibration is at the moment. Okay, these are cactuses. They are maybe not the best for now to touch or to tune into. Let's see this beautiful cactus here. So when you tune into the earth as she is, let's say this tree, okay? So when you touch the earth as she is, you can feel that she is already in a much higher frequency. When you put your feet on the ground, on the earth, and you feel that, and you tune into that, you will feel that she's not the same like she was 10 years ago or 20 years ago. She has ascended, as we call it. She has reached a higher state of consciousness. She basically doesn't want to play that game anymore, the duality game. She's had everything she had to learn from it. She gave her body, her consciousness and everything to humanity to play that game. And so she has moved on. So obviously I mean, I hope it will be a very smooth and easy transition. That's why I'm here, to help ease out, smooth out the transition for humanity, so that more and more of us wake up in a very gentle, more easy way than 10, 20 years ago, when I really literally had to break open doors. Like break them open fully, like for, you know, the new age to come through. That's not the case anymore. Like we can do it easily, gently and sweetly. So of course, the more of us that are going to do that, and the more of us that are aware of it, the more easy it will be. And so, yeah, so actually I wanted to make a little dance. It's not a little dance, it's light language coming through. You can see some other videos on my YouTube if you want, about what is light language. Just to be sure about it, it's like it's a language that goes through the heart. So it doesn't have to be understood by the mind. Sometimes something will come through that I have no idea what I'm saying or doing, but it's actually exactly what that person needs to hear or feel or see or sense. So it's a light language dance. I feel that there will be a lot of sacred sexuality light codes coming through. So you have different light codes, freedom codes, diamond codes, you know, different light codes, Magdalene codes. And I'm here on Ibiza, and I'm really working now with the Kundalini flow and the Pleiadians and Mary Magdalene, and you know, so many beings that are here to help us to let stream that sacred sexual energy through our channels, through our body that are clogged with all kinds of, you know, attachments and anger and ignorance. So, and all kinds of other stuff as well. So when we let that higher frequency light vibration move through our crown, or from down, up from the earth, or we move these higher frequencies of light through our channels, the sacred sexuality moving through our body really cleans out in a very fast, accelerated way many things we are holding on to in our physical body. So in the dance, it might be some of that. Who knows? Let's see what comes through. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my workshops or classes, or online. Leave me a comment, and sending much love. Here comes the dance. Yay!